Good evening, class. In our daily life, we often compare two quantities to see how they relate to each other. For example, if the price of 2 pens is rupees 40, then the price of 4 pens should be 80. This relationship is called proportion. So we can define it as a proportion is an equation that shows two ratios are equal. Now let's see how. But before this, please like, subscribe and share. Now to understand it more, we say A to B, it's equal to C to D when two ratios are equal. This is read as A is to B as C is to D. For example, 2 ratio 3, it's equal to 4 to 6. It can be written as 2 over 3, it's equal to 4 over 6. 2, 3, 4, 6 are in proportion. Now terms in proportion. In A to B, it's equal to C to D. A and D are extremes and B and C are means. Rule is A into D, it's equal to B into C. Now come to the topic direct proportion. Two quantities are in direct proportion if when one increases, the other increases in the same ratio. For example, more pens, more cost. Now inverse proportion. Two quantities are in inverse proportion if when one increases, the other decreases in the same ratio. For example, more workers, less time to finish the work. Now at the end we concluded proportion is the equality of two ratios. It helps in comparing and solving problems involving scaling, cost, time, work and distance. Remember, direct proportion, it means quantities move together. Inverse proportion, one goes up and the other goes down. Proportion is the bridge between ratios and real life problem solving. Thank you so much.